It's your boy T the Goat, coming in with Q the Goat.
What's up, guys?
And today, we're going to be playing the Robos. I'm going to be coming in with Rico as the thick boy. And Q the Goat's coming in with Tick, the most annoying brawler in the game. As you can see, we got the thick skin. Not the better OG version. We got the thick skin.
So let's just hop into the first game and ruin somebody's night.
Yeah. Because we are... First of all, this is like Rico's best showdown map. And that makes him like insane. And we literally have the most annoying brawler in the game. So this comp is just like deadly.
Dirty. It's just dirty.
Dirty deadly. Oh my god! What was I saying? Dude, look at that.
Somehow we won. Don't know how that happened.
Yeah, honestly.
Okay, I feel like this
Dude, spin it up. Like,
spin it up. And if you think about it, in my opinion, Tick's actually pretty thick. I mean,
dude, Tick is OP.
Obviously, no one can match the thick queen herself, Pam. But
oh my god, dude, that's a lot of damage, man.
But we just have like 6,000 HP together.
Yeah, which is not. Well, like, just because the gadget's pretty useful, but it's fun, so like, just like, yeah, we gotta do it. Oh,
dude,
this Primo's dead. I wasted soup.
When there's more than one Tick and there's a bow in there. There's a bow.
Bow. No! Wait, we got 5th. That's horrible.
No, it's great.
Yeah, that's wonderful. That was not good.
What a wonderful, wonderful match.
Yeah? We got it. Let's go.
No. Let's go. Get into the second game.
Dude, Rico's kind of retarded, honestly. Retarded Rico! Treacherous Tick. Why aren't you moving?
Because I was getting my light back on.
Wait, what are you using as a mic right now?
Just like, I'm actually using,
Are you using mac and cheese?
What?
Mac and cheese?
No, I'm actually using a lemon.
Oh, that's like next level.
Because, you get that lemon battery power.
Oh, yeah. The nice, crisp, juicy super. It's going to be like a Shelly. Oh.
Too much for them to handle.
Okay, we have better control this time. Oh, a Piper? That's kind of deadly, actually.
Okay, I've got supers.
Oh, there was a team right there. Dude, we got kind of close there.
What?
In that bush, I almost went in there, and there was like a 7 Shelly.
And a bull.
Yeah.
Okay, there's Shelly.
Dead.
Nice to meet you. Say hello to my little friend. Oh my
god. Oh my holy bananas.
I just made that bow.
Dude, you gotta run. Dude, if you don't kill this.
I had to make Bo say hello to my little friend.
Your little head?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta name Tick's head.
Little friend, no. Okay. Comment down below what you think Tick's head should be. Right now, I'm kind of thinking fitness.
Yeah, fitness is a great name.
Oh, I died.
Oh! Please don't. I know you want to, Shelly.
What are you doing?
No! This has gone horrible.
Okay, the Robos are not doing us too good.
Gotta be honest. It's a little tough. Dude, I lost 11 trophies.
No. I got a solution. Why just not change to another Robo?
Oh my god, that's like next level gameplay. Dude, no. You were better off with Tick.
Yeah, probably. But
8-bit's pretty bad right now.
He's chunky.
Yeah, he's not one of the better brawlers right now. Oh my, Pam is OP. Dude, the thickness is too much.
Tarun's not one of the best gamers right now.
Oh. Dude, that's a lot of...
That's pretty chunky.
It's free real estate.
It's free real estate.
I would put that in and edit a meme in, but I'm bad at editing, so... Yeah.
Lazy boys!
Lazy boys! Alright guys, hope you guys are enjoying this content. If you guys want me to actually edit my videos, please consider liking and subscribing.
And if you want me to stop...
We gotta get a win in this game.
Yeah, if you want me to stop using a lemon as a mic, then please help us get that creator code, you know?
You know what?
And I can't outrun Jack
A
Squad.
tick will show up in... Oh! That is not the super I wanted. A tick will show up in your bedroom if you don't like and subscribe. Not to scare the little kids or anything, but I'm just saying.
Oh, that was brutal. That was very brutal.
Oh, she just got sniped.
Kill the baby, no! Why would you auto-aim on the Rico? You gotta take out the other team so we can get second, you know? It's also one of my questions.
Are you talking to the Pam?
Yeah.
Good.
Why me? Why me? Why me? You gotta take them out.
Bro, wait, you're dead? You're dead? No!
What am I supposed to do when I still like, hello?
Just use Tick.
Yep.
He's just the sniper.
I would use Daryl, but you know, got him at 600. Don't want
A
to drop.
bottle of Barnacles. Guys, we gotta get a win before this video ends. Title of this video: robotnoobs.exe. Cause we're robot. We're the robot. I would curse, but you know. PG, you know, PG. PG TV. Oh, I'm insane.
You didn't kill her.
Bro, you're just not gonna talk about it.
Again, yeah, we're just not gonna talk about it.
Like, there's a lot of, like, everyone makes mistakes, you know. And I make more than others.
Exactly, that's what I always say. That's
Yeah, I know. I was hoping that you would fill me in, but I didn't really.
Everybody makes mistakes, except he makes more than others.
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's why I didn't wait. Oh, the Piper's dead. But I died.
You're dead. You're dead too.
Dude, like, I'm really feeling the Rico. Like.
I'm not feeling the tick. Bruh, I'm so newbie. Yo.
Dude, we're just gonna run away from this team, honestly.
This
You're
is
dead.
like the worst. Like.
Dude, there's
event.
probably a team just like.
Dude, there's not. Just get in there. Get her in there.
Bro! Whoa, quit. Cue the go. Cue the go. Come on, Q-Do. Bro.
There's a silly right there with 15 power-ups and you just wasted a secret.
Ah!
Here we go, fitness!
Oh, you thought what? No! What?
I took her out. That's all that matters. If she goes
Dude,
down.
this
If
game.
I go down, she going down with me. Wait, I thought we got third. That's disappointing.
Bro, this video has already gone terribly. And it's not getting better.
I think the new title should be Can We Win a Game of Showdown?
No, like, the title, it's like, the impossible challenge.
Win a game with 2 robos.
Yeah. Guys, but the title will be probably different from anything you've heard us say. So, yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty great.
Dude, what is this Dinah doing? Dude's probably just gonna be a bull. Yup! I called it! I'm insane!
Oh! No, just get out of there. I was gonna say you just get the stuff and get out. Actually, no, I don't think there's anyone else in here.
Well, but there is gonna be. The Terror's gonna pop Gadget and see us.
Where's the car? Oh, there's someone. Yeah, there's someone. Okay. I kind of want to set fitness boost on this boy, but...
Dude, okay, we have a good start this time.
You know what, just set
Probably like the epic music playing
Go
right now.
fitness! Oh!
Oh! Okay, guys, I'm not trying to jinx it, but finally a half decent start. Thank you.
GG for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, 691 a shot.
Oh no.
Nice. Okay, I got the... Dude, please. Okay, I'm safe. Wait, am I safe?
No, you're never safe in Brawl Stars. Because you know Bush with his special power, Bush.
I killed the Terra, but I also died.
Okay, her partner's a Jackie somewhere. So I'm just gonna pick these up, you know.
I wouldn't recommend going in the... Okay.
Don't pay attention to the chick. She's chilling in the corner.
Okay, I can check this whole area. Yeah, okay, we're safe.
Wow, even after my mines were all over. I smell pennies.
Yo, okay, we gotta get this. Oh, I'm insane!
Dude, I need to get fitness ready for battle. Okay, here we go. I'm one.
Oh, we can win this game. No, don't! I got him.
Fitness! We've got fitness. We're for sure gonna win. He's gonna die. Fitness. Go, fitness. Fitness!
Fitness for the win! GG! Impossible challenge completed. That's how you get it up. Play
Okay,
one
so
more or wrap it up here?
I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video.
Yeah, this was already devastating. Somehow we squeaked in a win. We don't want you guys to suffer.
You might as well stop where you're ahead, right? So
Yeah, we don't want you to suffer through like another 5 games. And you could be like, well, you could just cut it out. But I'm bad at editing, like I already said. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys some other time on the channel.
see ya.
Bye, guys. Peace out.